Hello everyone, so if you want to transfer files from Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 to your laptop, I'm using Windows 11, so it's versatile for Windows 11 version. So now open up your settings. Here open up your About Phone tab, find your OS version and tap on it 7 times to activate our developer options. Now go back, scroll down to your additional settings, find your developer options right here and make sure they're enabled, of course. Now here we're to find our USB debugging. So enable this option. Now you're gonna get a warning, confirm that you're aware of possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. Press OK. We entered this dark world of USB debugging, which they warned us about. Now grab your cable, which comes with your phone in the box, or any other cable with USB to USB-C, or anything else basically with your laptop and your phone support. So now enter one part of it into your laptop, grab the second part of it and enter it into our charging part. Let's do this. Now on your phone, tap here. All right, so on your phone you'll see a note that charging this device via USB. Tap on it and choose transfer files. Now as you can see, we can open up our computer and here we'll get our Redmi Note. So open it up and you can freely explore it. You can get some music or put some music or basically do anything. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.